If you were already thinking about hopping into OfferLab, either as an affiliate or a creator, and figured, hey, I wouldn't mind getting some crazy bonuses just for joining, that's what this video is for. I've done other videos where I explain what OfferLab is, how to do the launch, all that stuff. If you use the link down in the description, you can go to this page. Russell will explain it far better than I can anyways. Watch that video. But if you decide to go through that link and join and sign up for the platform completely for free, I'm going to give you some crazy bonuses that I'm about to walk you through here in just a second. You just have to use that link down below. And if you do, all you need to do is email me at info@jakethornhill.com, and I will send you these bonuses completely for free. There's one upsell. He actually explains it in the video. And one of the 7 bonuses you only get with the upsell, but if you don't, you get all the other bonuses, which is still awesome. So let me dive into these bonuses and show you exactly what you're going to be getting when you sign up through my link down below. I'm going to pull this as a slideshow because it's a little more fun to do that way. And we're going to start with the ultimate OfferLab bonus deck. These things are actually crazy. I was actually making bonuses for something else, and it was so good that I'm like, man, I've got to add this to my OfferLab bonus deck. The first one is this right here. I just created this video. It's about 30 minutes long, and it's unreal. This is how to make $100,000 a year with ghost pages. I was blown away by this. So just to give a little bit of a background here, I was actually promoting another launch called Ghost Pages, and it's a really unique angle on how to drive more traffic, rank on Google without like the typical blog or YouTube channel and all of that. But I was already doing some things that this just amplified like crazy. In fact, I ran a ChatGPT best and worst case scenario. Like the absolute worst case, I mean, I'm talking about like worst case, like you hardly put in the effort, was like a bare minimum of $60K a year. And by the second year, that would double because it would stack on top of each other. The best case scenario, I almost don't even want to share with you because it sounds so unrealistic, but it was 7 figures. And that's obviously the first year, and that continues to stack year over year because we're talking about ranking assets. So I go super into depth in this. It's a Loom video. It's 30 minutes long where I break down exactly what my team and I are doing. I have one VA running this entire system, and she will bring in figures this year. I would be dumbfounded if she didn't. This bonus is crazy. So I really made this because I'm super excited to share this with more people. And I don't want it to just be a bonus for that because I think it's too valuable just for that. So I break down the program I'm using, the things I'm connecting, all of it, all in this one bonus. It is worth signing up just to get this bonus. And remember, you got to use that link down in the description. And then just email me, info@jakethornhill.com, and I will send you this full package. The second one is Slide Cache Loophole. This is actually a full course on how to use a slide deck to get traffic on Google. So what you can do, there are sites where you can post a slide deck, and when you post it, that can actually rank in Google, especially if you're using long tail keywords. So I've been using Typeset to do this in a matter of seconds. And again, I explain all of this both in this video and then this full course covers everything except Typeset, but I talk about Typeset in this. But that's going to walk you through how to drive extra traffic just by using simple slide decks you can make within 5 minutes. And then in this video, I actually talk about how to couple the two together to amplify both of them. It's wild. It's so exciting to actually talk about. So the third one is 223 viral posts. I've actually been using this, man, for 3 or 4 years now, and just can show you exactly what they look like. It's tons of different post templates. So you can see humor, informative, inspirational, brand awareness. So click on brand awareness, and all these are just templates. And now with AI, you can have a chat about your brand, stick in these templates, and it can just churn out infinite amounts of these, right? So the text suggestion, and it gives you these formulas. Here's one on me and my team. Here's one of what are we doing behind the scenes. And you can see, especially if you're using any kind of AI, where it already understands your voice, it already understands your business, it already understands what you're promoting. You can throw one of these templates in and just have them automatically create about yours. I eventually need to turn this into a GPT, but I love these viral templates. Even if you didn't use AI, they're phenomenal. I've used them for years, but with AI, they become unstoppable. So that's the 223 different viral posts. Number 4 is my 25 AI prompt pack. I specifically love using this when I form lead magnets. And whether you're an affiliate or a creator, and that's why you're using OfferLab, You want to have these lead magnets that get emails for free, so then you can promote your thing, or if you're an affiliate, your multiple things. And these AI prompt packs, or the prompt pack, allows you to do deep research on your avatar, on your dream client, so you can make sure that you're speaking to them directly. And there's a lot of things, but this is going to help you build out very high quality lead magnets. It's the difference between building out 5 to 10 high quality lead magnets and building out crap that no one really cares about. They might give you their email, but then you leave a really bad taste in your mouth about you and your brand. So this is going to help you create really high quality ones. And speaking of lead magnets, a couple of these purchased. I actually purchased this one too, so I could give access to you guys. This is another one from Matt McWilliams years ago, talking about the psychology of a lead magnet, an incredible affiliate marketer. So this is a really deep dive into understanding how to use a lead magnet at a high level. And if you're really smart, you plug this into AI as you're developing your own, so it can use that as a template for building out your lead magnets along with the AI prompt pack. Next is a list of my favorite affiliate programs. If you're an affiliate trying to find the right programs, obviously I will be adding some OfferLab ones as those begin to build out. But right now, I just have an ongoing list of my absolute favorite affiliate programs if you're still trying to find the right things to promote. And I'll be honest, one of my favorite is this one that I'm using right now for Ghost Pages. I love high ticket stuff. Some sales of what we're doing with this will rake in over $5,000, and some of that's recurring. Unreal how good that video is. The final one is 100+ digital mock-up packs. I love this. If you have anything that you promote, you're going to about to see why this is so valuable. This is the one that you actually have to buy the upsell of Russell's. It only offers one upsell in this. You can sign up completely for free and get all of the other bonuses here. But if you choose to do the upsell, I'm also going to give you access to these digital packs. It would cost a lot of money to have these built. So let me show you. They're all built inside of Canva. If you don't know how Canva works, you basically just drop your image of your product, of your service, of whatever you're promoting into these, and it will automatically fit straight into there. So you can see all of these different ones. If you promote anything, man, these things are so nice to have on a sales page, on anything. On a sales page, I've used them on emails before, on your website, it doesn't even matter. So many different mock-ups that you can use that will be perfect for literally whatever you're promoting. So that is the 7 bonuses that you're going to get, 6 of them for signing up 100% for free to OfferLab. And then this last one, only if you buy the upsell. Again, all you have to do is email me there, info@jakethornhill.com, and I will send these over to you. And you'll get access. So hopefully this is just, I think this is a mind-blowing bonus package. It's probably close to 10K when you factor in a value, especially when you factor in that first video, that I cannot imagine executing on it and not making crazy money. So go sign up for OfferLab. Use that link in the description. Email me. I'm going to send you this bonus pack, and you are going to love both OfferLab and the bonus pack. I hope it helps you in your business. Have a great rest of your day.